Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install TikTok beta on LDPlayer. You can install TikTok from the Play Store, but if you want the beta version, you will need to use a browser. Just open your browser and search for TikTok beta on Google. Then go to the APK mirror and scroll down until you find the latest beta version. Tap on it and download the APK file. Once the download is complete, open LDPlayer and click on the APK option. Select the file you downloaded and open it. The installation will start and it might take a little time to finish. After it's installed, you can open the app and start using it without an issue. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.